Every day we come across online scams, and in today's video I'll show you how these online scammers are able to clone legitimate website first. Secondly, how you can detect whether the website is legitimate or not, and how you can keep your system safe from these phishing and scamming attacks. So before I start, I would like to leave a disclaimer here that this content is solely for education purpose only, to show you how the fraudsters are using techniques to fraud you. So read through the disclaimer and then let's get to the computer screen. Firstly, the scammers use the website cloner to copy a legitimate website and then add their domain name. So for the purpose of this video, I'm showing a website which is a legitimate website and a legitimate person. So this person is a media personality in India, and he has been seen across various media during panel discussion, and he has also done few TEDx talks worldwide. For example, if a cloner wants to clone his website, all you need to do is copy the website link, take it to the website cloner, and then download this entire website. Here I am using one of the website cloner. I'll not be showing this to you because, as I said, this is just for educational purpose, for you to know how the cloning is put to use. So this is the website cloner which I have installed, and I have given the name website cloning, and then click next, and here I'll be entering the URL of the legitimate website. And once I have done this, click next. Then, as I said, this is just for education purpose, and I'm trying to show you how it is easy to clone website and how the fraudsters use this clone any legitimate website, including banking website. So you might see a banking website which looks legitimate, but always you have to look for telltale sign to find if it is a legitimate site or not. So finish. So the downloaded website is now sitting on my computer as my website. Once I open this, you see here this index. When I open this website is now on my local drive. All I need to do is bring this to any hosting provider and add the domain which I want. So that's how the scamsters copy a legitimate bank, copy a legitimate person, copy a legitimate company, and use the other domain to make the fraud. So how to check if a website is not a scam, it's not a phishing website? Let me give you example of my website. If you copy any legitimate website link, or for that matter any link, and you have various tools which is available online, let me show you scamadvisor.com. So on this website you can bring the link. So here I'm showing my own website, canadatriedandtested.com. And here you will get a report on phishing, any investment scam, cryptocurrency. So all in one here. You can just go and click search, and then you get a report like this. And you see the trust score, how much it is, complete 100%. So this shows that this is not a website which will scam people. So friends, this is how you save yourself from any online scam or fraud or phishing attack. And I'll be sharing link to certain website in the description, which will help you save your data, to save yourself from any of these attacks. And also let me know in the comment section in case you'd like to watch these kind of videos in future, or what are your thoughts. Thank you.